Hey y'all, John here, the Crafty Tech Guy. Okay, let's learn how to cancel a subscription on TikTok. There's two different ways to do that. I happen to be using an iPhone, so I'm going to show you how to do it on an iPhone. If you have an Android, just Google how to cancel a subscription on TikTok and using an Android, and you should be able to easily find that. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is open the TikTok app, okay? And then at the top of the app, there's a little magnifying glass. Click the magnifying glass. Next, we're going to search for the business or the person's name of the account that you want to cancel their subscription. So I'm just searching for my own account, the Crafty Tech Guy. Once we search for it, you'll see it pop up there in the search list. Tap on the correct account. Now, you'll notice kind of in the middle of the screen, you're going to see a little line that says subscribe or subscription. So the first thing we're going to do is tap on where it says subscription. That's going to go into your account where you've subscribed. Okay, so you've got some different options here. One of the first things you could do is change your subscription. So up at the top, you're going to tap the change button. This is if you wanted to upgrade. I'm just kind of going over several things you could do on this screen. So here I could bump up my subscription. The Crafty Tech Guy has 3 different levels of subscriptions. I'm currently in his lowest. He's got a middle tier, and then he's got an upper tier, or I do. I guess I shouldn't refer to myself in the third person. The next thing I could do is extend my subscription. So I'm currently in a monthly subscription, but I could extend it to 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, depending on however long of a term I want to commit to the Crafty Tech Guy. But we don't want to do either one of those. I just wanted to show you that. We're going to go back and we're going to actually cancel this subscription. So you just tap the cancel button. Now we're just going to continue to cancel the auto renewal. So tap on cancel the auto renewal. You're going to get a little notification from your iPhone. All done. Everything's canceled. You will not be rebilled for this subscription. And you can always go back to the person's profile, click on the subscribe button, and subscribe again. Okay, the next option is doing it through your Apple account. So we're going to come over here to find the settings gear. I keep mine in the top left hand corner on my home page. So tap on settings. And then we're going to tap on your name. All right, and that's going to get us into your Apple account. And that first box up there, for the fourth one down, is subscriptions. Tap on subscriptions. You're going to see all of your different subscriptions. Tap on something that's still active. All right, once you have found the subscription that is active, you're going to notice here on the page down at the bottom, you can tap on cancel subscription. Tap on that, and that's it. It's canceled. So you're back to your home page. So if you like tips like these, be sure to give me a follow. If you have any questions, just comment below this video and tag me in it, and I'll get back to you. Thanks, y'all.